In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you 10 settings you must change on DJI Mini 2 SE to make the most out of your drone. Firstly, go to the three dots and under the Safety tab find RTH Altitude. RTH stands for Return to Home. If you have tall trees or tall buildings around where you're flying, make sure this is high enough so that your drone does not crash into things should the RTH function was to be activated. The second thing to change is to make sure that if your signal gets lost, your drone returns home safely. To do this, go to Safety and at the bottom click Advanced Safety Features. Make sure it's on RTH. If you're flying on a boat, then change this to Hover. I would personally stay away from Descend. Thirdly, choose your preferred measurement system. Under Controls, go to Units and change this to your desired unit. In Australia, we use kilometers, so I'm happy with this. Fourthly, make sure your map is turned on by clicking on the map icon. This will help you navigate the whereabouts of your drone. Next, under Control, turn on Upward Gimbal Rotation. This will allow your camera more flexibility. You can take an image of the moon, for example, with this turned on. Next, make sure you are making the most of your resolution and frame rate. By default, the resolution is 1080p, so change this to 2.7K. Next, go to Picture Mode and change the output format from JPEG to J+RAW. RAW files contain more data and can be easy to deal with in the post-processing. Next, you want to change the settings of Quick Shot. By default, Quick Shots record in 1080p. Change this to 2.7K. Next, turn on grid lines by going to the camera in Settings. This gives you more control. Finally, I recommend eventually moving away from auto settings. Shoot in Pro mode if you can. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me.